Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an incredible adventure in store for you. We're going on a thrilling hike to the top of a majestic mountain with some of our closest friends. The location is absolutely stunning, and we can't wait to share this experience with you. We're all set to embark on this hike. The views around us are already breathtaking, and we can't wait to see what awaits us at the top. We made it! The feeling of accomplishment is indescribable. The view from up here is absolutely worth every step.
हम यहाँ पर पहुँचे हैं। यहाँ पर लंबे लंबे दरख्त हैं और इनके नीचे बहुत ज़बरदस्त साया बना हुआ है।
To refuel after the hike, we decided to make some delicious organic food using fresh ingredients we brought along. It's going to be a treat. Cooking in the outdoors is so much fun, especially when surrounded by such beauty. We can already feel our appetites grow. We've had an amazing time together, creating unforgettable memories and sharing lots of laughs. It's moments like these that make every challenge worthwhile. Now that the food is ready, it's time to dig in. Our hard work has paid off, and this meal tastes even better in this incredible setting. Thank you all for joining us on this epic mountain hike with our wonderful friends. It's been a day filled with adventure, delicious food, and cherished camaraderie. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay adventurous.